Go IPG with SHINING3D. Aoralscan Elite is a 2-in-1 system. It combines structured light scanning technology and IPG technology. When capture implant positions using IPG technology, coated scan bodies are mounted onto multi-unit abutments. Coated scan bodies are high-precision components with a unique marker arrangement, designed to precisely locate implant positions and orientations. They are compatible with over 40 implant system brands, with more to come. When scanning to locate the implant positions using IPG technology, only the markers on the coated scan bodies will be captured, eliminating interference from soft tissue and other intraoral environment. The software processes tens of thousands of images captured by the scanner from different positions. By utilizing the reference points generated from each image, it optimizes the overall framework, achieving extremely high accuracy in measuring the absolute interrelated positions of the implants in the mouth. An IPG file is generated that contains only the interrelated implant positions and orientations. The Elite IPG system's precision could reach up to 5 microns, providing a guaranteed perfect fit for multi-implant restorations. Apart from photogrammetry technology, the main limitations include unstable soft tissue, saliva, blood, reflective surfaces of scan bodies, and challenges with long span accuracy. These issues can result in artifacts and stitching errors, making it difficult to generate a high-accuracy digital implant impression. Low cross-arc accuracy in digital impressions and incomplete scan body geometry data can ultimately result in prosthesis fit failure. Capture implant positions using IPG technology, completely eliminating interference from mobile soft tissue. Even in immediate loading cases with open flap surgery, the process identifies only the coded markers without relying on scan body geometry data. This software processes thousands of photos collectively, achieving global optimization with precision within 5 microns to ensure a perfect fit for the restoration. This unique IPG technology from SHINING3D integrates photogrammetric scanning directly into intraoral procedures, enhancing the precision and efficiency of full-mouth edentulous implants, particularly in all-on-X procedures.